Hi, in this video I will show you how to get a crunchy potato chips at home. Let's begin this. To make chips, it is important to know how to choose the potato. If you can see, there is white and yellowish one. The white one you get crunchy potatoes and the yellow one you get sweet and soft potato chips. Take 4 potatoes and start peeling it. After peeling, just wash the potatoes. On stove and put a pan. Add oil into the pan. In the meantime, take slicer and start slicing the potato. So put all the potato pieces in the water and just clean it and leave it for some time. After 5 minutes, you can take out from the water and you have to put in the cloth. As we are going to put all these potato slices in the oil, we have to wipe all the water content in the potato slices like this as shown. Now add 1 potato slice to the oil, whether it is heated or no. Check it out. The oil is ready. We can put all potato slices into it now. While adding all slices, make sure that the flame is in low. After putting all, you have to turn on high flame. One thing is, you keep on frying it. You should not take out your hand since we are frying these in high flame. If you can see, there is no bubbles in the pan, which means the chips are getting ready. Actually, this is the one method you can do the chips. Yeah, it's almost done. You can take it out. Now let's see the second method. Take potato and start slicing. And add all these slices immediately into the pan. Here we are not keeping all these slices in the water as we have done in the first method. And again, make sure that the flame is in high. These potato chips using the first method and these using the second method. Yeah, if you can see, there is no much difference between these two. Both are crunchy. You can choose which one you want. So do all the remaining potatoes as well. So we made lot of chips. Let's flavor them. So for that we are adding salt and chili powder to this. Yeah, you can make your own flavored chips. Mix it properly so that the chili powder and salt gets evenly to all the potato chips. So try these potato chips at your house with the tip and comment whether you got crunchy chips or no. Because many will be thinking we won't get crunchy chips. So try making like this. Sure you will get the crunchy chips. Thank you for watching this video. And subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.